Can I do that one? Thank you. What is given in this case that in triangle ABC, BF, in triangle ABC, AB is parallel to FD. AB is parallel to FD, and it's already marked. I like it. AB is parallel to FD. It's already marked. And AF parallel to DE. It's also already marked. You are given the ratio of FE is to EC. Check. FE is to EC. The ratio that is given there is 3:4. FE is to EC. The ratio is 3:4. The question states, determine the ratio EC. EC is to BC. EC is to BC. I'm going to give you about 5 minutes to find the solution. Thank you. In 5 minutes' time, we'll then carry on with the solution. Thank you. Welcome back. Welcome back. I hope you've worked it out, and let's see whether the answer that you got will correspond with mine. Remember what I said earlier. What is important is that to indicate the given information on the diagram. That is the most important thing. To indicate the given information on the diagram. So in this case, fortunately, the information is already been indicated. Let's see. In triangle ABC, AB is parallel to FD. AB parallel to FD is marked. Thank you, it's already indicated. AF parallel to DE, also already marked. The ratio of FE is to EC. FE is to EC. The ratio is 3:4. The ratio here is 3. The ratio there is 4. Remember, we're not saying FE is equals to 3 units, EC is equals to 4 units. That is not the implication. With the implication that the ratio of FE is to EC is 3 and 4. So what is the question? Determine the ratio of EC. EC, we already have, fortunately, is to BC. Is to BC. So the problem is that we don't have BC. Let's work it out. Let's work it out. Let's apply the very same theorem that states a line parallel to a side of a triangle cuts the other two sides so as to divide them in the same proportion. Maybe I should hide something here. Check. What do you have? See, you've got DE that is parallel to AF. DE parallel to AF. A line parallel to a side of a triangle cuts the other two sides in the same proportion. Can you see that? Thank you. Then we can say FE over EC will then be the same as AD over DC, because DE is parallel to AF, and that is the given information. So we apply the proportionality theorem. We say FE divided by EC is equals to AD over DC. I said that the order is important. That is the order that I want you to take. Thank you. We say FE over EC is equals to FE over EC is equals to AD over DC. Remember, we are busy with the Euclidean geometry, and you always have to provide a reason. Why do I say FE over EC is equals to AD over DC? Always provide the reason. And in this case, the reason will be a line parallel to a side of triangle. We know that a line drawn parallel to a side of a triangle cuts the other two sides so as to divide them in the same proportion. It's because of that theorem that we have just proven, and then now we are applying it right now here. And check. FE over EC, we've got it. FE over EC is given to us as 3/4, which is equals to AD over DC. Thank you. What does that tell you? It means the ratio of AD over DC is also 3/4. Let's indicate it. It's also 3/4. our task, we want BC, because EC we already have. The question states, determine the ratio of EC. Here is EC we already have. BC we don't have. So for us to have BC, we need to have BF. Thank you. Look at this bigger triangle ABC in the bigger triangle. Triangle ABC. In this bigger triangle ABC, if you take AD over DC, let me write it down. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, we take AD over DC. AD over DC is equals to, if you take AD over DC, you'll take BF over FC, because you've got this line which is parallel to one side of a triangle. You've got DF which is parallel to AB, and AB is a side of triangle ABC. So AD over DC will be equals to BF over FC. Order is very much important. AD over DC, BF over FC. Thank you. Check AD. What is the ratio of AD? AD here we've got 3 over DC we've got 4, which will then be equals to BF. We don't have the ratio of BF. Let's leave it as it is. It's BF over FC. FC 3 and 4, they give us 7. 3 over 7, the ratio. Now, what do we need to do? We need to solve for BF. To find the value of BF, we multiply both sides by 7. Let's multiply by 7 here. What you do on the right, you also do on the left. Thank you. Then ultimately, you've got BF. You multiply the 7, multiply by 3 will give you 21 over 4. Thank you. That is the ratio of BF. The ratio of BF, let's indicate it. This one will then be 21 over 4. 21 over 4. Now, let's answer our question. The question states, determine the ratio of EC. Remember, we've got EC, it's 3. But BC, we don't know the ratio. So to have the ratio for BC, we add 4, 3, and 21 over 4. We added those 3. Let's add them together. 3 plus 4 give you 7. 7 you add it to 21 over 4. What answer do you get? 7 you add it to 21 over 4. Let's check. It therefore means, what it means is that BC is equals to, if I take from the diagram, 21 over 4 plus 3 plus 4. Let me add it. 21 over 4 plus 3 plus 4. Let's add it together quickly. It's going to 3 and 4 give you 7. It's going to be 21 over 4 plus 7. It's over 1. Look for LCD quickly. Our LCD here will be 4. 4 into 4 once multiplied is going to be 21 plus 1 into 4. 4 times 4 multiplied by 7. I think it will give you 28. So that ultimately BC will be equal to 21 plus 28 will give you 49 over 4. 49 over 4. So that will be the total length, BC. BC ultimately is equal to 49 over 4. Clear? Because for us to find BC, we had to add to BC. Here is BC. For us to get BC, 21 over 4 plus 3 plus 4. And if you add the 3 numbers, they give us 49 over 4. That's why we say BC is equal to 49 over 4. Thank you. Now we can answer the question. Let's answer the question. The question states, determine the ratio of EC is to BC. Now let's write down the answer there. Quickly, let me try and work it out. If we answer the question, we'll then say EC over BC will be equals to, remember EC we said it's 4, BC we said it will be 49, or maybe I should write 4 divided by 49 over 4. You still remember the length of BC, the whole BC we said it's 49 over 4. Let me show you. BC 49 over 4. So if you work it out further, we say here it is. I'm sorry for that inconvenience a bit. Sorry for that. EC over BC is 4 divided by 49, and according to the laws of fractions, it means it over 4 over 1 you multiply by 44 over 49. Multiply together, we've got 16 over 49. This is the ratio. This is the ratio of EC over BC. Thank you. Ultimately, that will be our final answer. EC divided by BC. EC is 4 divide BC is 49 over 4. So it's the same as 4 over 1 multiplied by 4 over 49. Because if you've got division, you need to change division to multiplication. That's the rules or the law of mathematics governing fractions. So we've got 4 over 1 multiplied by 4 over 49. 4 by 4 gives us 16 over 49. This will be the ratio EC over BC is equal to 16 over 49. Interesting. Thank you. Let's carry on with some more exercises. One more exercise. I hope 5 minutes will also be enough, and you will enjoy this one as well.